Hello guys, today we're back with graphic user interface tutorials, and today we're coming with a new type of graphic user interface which is called the T-Kinter. Today we'll be drawing a two rectangle graphic user interface. So as we mentioned before, it's a library like the turtle, the T-Kinter, and there are many types of them. So it's a library we have to import or have to get the information from. So here for drawing a two rectangle GUI, we will declare first from where do we have to get the information. So as you can see here, we're mentioning from T-Kinter import, and then star, which is like importing everything from the T-Kinter. Then we will have to write the master, which is equal to TK, and the brackets. Let's say, for example, sorry for this one, and let's mention declare, for example, a W, which is equal to canvas open bracket master comma. Of course, we're just declaring a variable or something. Each one we can just rename it or something, but here I just named it W. After that, equal canvas open bracket, we'll have to mention the master, then comma, and we will have to mention the width and height of our rectangles. So I declared here the width equal 200, comma, height equal 100, and then we will just put w.pack, as we mentioned the W before, and this is a pack for us. Now we will just draw two rectangles, one inside another, not close to each other, no, two rectangles inside each other. Here we'll start the coding by using the W again, dot create underscore rectangle. Of course, this is just something I named it. You can just name it anything, for example, rectangle 1, rectangle 2, A, B, anything. Here I declared it as create underscore rectangle, open brackets. I used values of 50, 20, 150, and 80, as you can see, and a fill color. Of course, you can just write any color. I wrote a code color here. You can just write, for example, black, yellow, white, whatever you want, and we will see an example in the next rectangle. Again, we will have to mention the second rectangle, which is a W dot create rectangle and open brackets, and I just gave different values, which is 65, 35, 135, and 65. And for the fill color, I just used a normal without coding the color. I just wrote yellow. And then we will do, of course, the main loop. Now let's just run our show and see our results. So run and draw two rectangles. As you can see here, it's a two rectangle, one which is the code green. This one is a code green, as we can see here, and a yellow, which is the second rectangle inside of it. And let's just, for example, use red, and instead of writing the code color, let's use purple, just for a variety. And let's run our results one more time. Hopefully it works. And yeah, as you can see here, red and purple. And diameters, of course, as we mentioned here, you can use any diameters, different diameters. Of course, I used specific diameters, as you saw. And that's it. So it's up to you, the colors, the diameters of it. You can do anything with it. And thank you, folks, for watching.